Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video we are going to be learning how to change your sewing machine bearing. Now there are sometimes you notice small balls falling from your sewing machine bearings, and whenever that starts happening that means your bearing has spoiled. You just have to get a new one. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to change the bearing. So you are going to go to the market and tell them you want a bearing, you want this. Some people call it Boris. I don't know which one is the correct, but I think bearing is the correct one. So here is my own. I bought from the market, and they are going to apply grease for you. Though this grease here is not enough, I had to get another grease to apply more after fixing it. So this is it. If you look at this bearing now, you see those little balls that we are falling off from the one in the machine. So let's get right into changing it. So you need a plier and you also need a long screwdriver. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like, comment and share. So you have to turn your machine. Can you see at this edge there's a screw on top? There's a screw at the side. Can you see this screw? Can you see this screw? You are going to try to open it. This machine, we have never changed the bearing before, so it was quite strong to open. So I tried using this plier, and then I also tried using the screwdriver, and the screwdriver worked. So can you see my screwdriver? Long screwdriver. This screwdriver comes with it came with my industrial machine. So I'm going to use the screwdriver to unscrew. Can you see it has loosened? So I used the screwdriver to unscrew. Can you see? Can you see? So you open it, that is, you unscrew it and then bring out the screw. Can you see? Can you see? So I've unscrewed it. And you see the is already out. So I have to remove that rope um, and then bring it out. Can you see? So it's out. It's out. I'm supposed to remove this part. We are supposed to remove this part. This part actually came with this bearing that I got in the market, but because mine has already spoiled, so it just came out freely like this. So I'm going to. There's a screw. There's a screw. Can you see the screw? Can you see that screw? I'm going to unscrew it to bring out that that part of the bearing that is stuck in there. So I'm trying to unscrew it. It was very strong. It was very strong to unscrew. So I just had to. Can you see? It was very strong. It was very strong to unscrew. So I applied a machine oil so that it would be well greased, like well oiled. I applied the machine oil and I left it. So next, to remove this part of the bearing that is still remaining in the machine, you use your screwdriver to unscrew this down part under the pedal. Under the pedal. You unscrew, 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 and it's out. So you're going to remove that. That's the one that's spoiled. Can you see? I'm going to remove that. So that one is out. So I had to apply grease on. Can you see? I applied grease there. I applied grease. So I had to go find someone that will help me unscrew this because I was still finding it difficult. So I had to go and look for someone, and yes, the person unscrewed it and brought this out. Can you see? This is supposed to come out. Then you are going to, so I'm trying to clean my tiles so it does not get stained. So you're going to fix the new one you got. Can you see? There is an eye on that new one. You're going to make sure the eye faces that place that the screw is going to pass through. You're going to make sure the eye faces that place the screw is going to pass through. Can you see? Then you are going to put back your screw and tie it. This part, please make sure you tight it very well, because if you don't, your machine leg, it's going to be having problem, it's going to have issues. So just make sure you tight very well. Make sure you tight very well. Use all your strength if possible. If you're a man, use your manpower. If you're a woman, look for a man to help you to tight it very well. Make sure it is very tight. Emphasis on very tight. I was feeling as if I did not put the bearing inside the nut, so I had to check. So make it very tight. Screw it to be very, very tight. So next, so you take it to your machine and you are going to first of all fix the one to the pedal. That's the down part. Can you see? You open it up and then fix it. Can you see? And then fix the under, screw it. Everything about this process is just about screwing. Screw it to be very, very tight. Please make sure anything you're screwing back, it should be very tight, so you don't end up spoiling your sewing machine. You screw it to be very tight. make sure it is very tight. Make sure it is very tight. Make sure it is very tight. Okay, so after you're done with that, fix you're going to fix this other mouth. Sorry, I tied this my machine long time ago. It was falling off, so I had to tie it. So let me just loosen it so we can see clearly. So if you are stick up to this moment, that means you're really enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, drop your comments via the comment section, and also share. Thank you very much, guys. So you're going to fix this back into that hole. Can you see? Back into that hole, and then from the side you are going to place back that screw we got from that place. So you are going to screw it back. We are going to screw it back. Please, anything you're screwing, make sure it is very tight. Anything you're screwing, make sure it is very tight. Make sure it is very tight. Make sure it is very tight. I'm also making sure it's tight, so I'm trying to screw again. So still, you see, I'm still trying to screw so that it will be very tight. I was feeling like it's not tight enough, so I had to unscrew, so I will screw it back again. So please make sure it's very tight, so emphasis. And we are good to go. So you're going to fix your machine rope back. You're going to fix your machine back, so we'll test what we did. So this is me trying to put back the head of the machine and then fixing back my rope. Fixing back my rope. Please guys, make sure there is enough grease on this bearing. I had to go get another grease to apply more grease on the bearing, but that was after this day, after I was done with this video. So please make sure there is enough grease, because if you don't have enough grease, it is going to spoil your bearing on time. So make sure you have enough grease on it. So this is me putting back my rope, my machine rope. Can you see our machine is back to life? So this is a condom oil. I'm trying to apply condom oil on all the nuts areas, all the areas that has nuts and screws, so that whenever you want to unnut or unscrew your sewing machine, you'll not be finding difficulty, to not be dried out. Please, you need condom oil, condom machine oil. You know how to get condemn oil, all those oil we get from cars, um generator, all those kind of oil. That is condemn oil. So you apply it on all the parts of your machine that has nuts and screws, so that whenever you want to unscrew your machine, you will not be finding it difficult. If you have stayed up to the end of this video, thank you very much. Please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button. Please also turn on your notification bell, because I post interesting videos on this channel. Please also drop your comments, your questions via the comment section. So I'm still applying my condom oil on the movable parts, the part that has screws, sorry, the part that has screws. Please don't apply condom oil on your bearing. What you need on your bearing is grease. Please do not apply condom oil on your bearing. You need grease for your bearing. So next is to test our machine, to test what we did, and this machine was back to life. This machine was back to life. Thank you very much, guys. Can you see? Back to life. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please kindly like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye.